Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. So ngayon magbablog tayo. Pauwi na tayo galing work. And it's weekend, so it's time to enjoy and have party. But it's sunstorm outside, so we need to wear mask because it's sunstorm outside. So always be ready, okay? So I have mask here because I have asthma, so I need to have this all the time, especially here in the Middle East, because sandstorm occurs every now and then, so I need to have this always. See you guys later. Sunstorm po dito. Sunstorm. So kailangan mag-mask kasi it's sunstorm. Woo! So kailangan magsuot tayo ng mask. Tayo dun sa yan. Yan, windy sunstorm. Sunstorm po dito. Sunstorm. So kailangan mag-mask kasi it's sunstorm. Woo! So kailangan magsuot tayo ng mask. Tayo dun sa yan. Ayan, sunstorm ngayon dito. It's a sunstorm weekend. Sunstorm weekend. Sunstorm po dito. Sunstorm. So kailangan mag-mask kasi it's sunstorm. Woo! So kailangan magsuot tayo ng mask. Tayo dun sa yan. Sunstorm. This is the sunstorm. Sunstorm. Grocery tayo. Sunstorm. Sunstorm, brother. Tapos na tayo mag-grocery. Grocery on a sunstorm weekend, Thursday. Sunstorm, brother. Sunstorm. Free powder today. Free powder. That's the result if there's a sunstorm. Hello. Sunstorm?
Yeah. In Jordan they clean with the snow now.
Ah, in Jordan?
Yeah.
That's the aftermath. After sunstorm, ito na ang resulta. Oh. Suns yan, buhangin yan. Pumasok dito sa aisle ng bahay. So yan ang aftermath ng sunstorm. Madumi. So even here, see the floor. Yan. Buti na lang may kami nalagay na ano. Nalagay na to prevent the sun to go inside.